Hey, this is an unboxing for my gaming PC. The Tenda. Tenda. Whatever. Wireless and USB adapter. Oh, boxes. Not boxes, but pajamas. This is good for Wi-Fi. Online gaming, it says, yay. Not just but HD video streaming. This would be the fastest thing I think I ever have on my computer. Password is actually 123. Yay! I shall unbox this. Box a baby. Shoulda got a knifey. Shit. Be back in a second. Never mind, got a simpler method. There we go. Just use my teeth. I am smart hunter. Hallelujah. Came from Amazon. This was cheap, so I hope it's not a cheap product either. Right, so here it comes. The grand opening. Oh. Ooh, what's this? Oh yeah. This has got to be it. I wanna be free. Ooh, the stick. It's smaller than my stick though. Get the joke. And get what's in here. No, oh, it's fine. Landed on the Santa. There we go. And it's a version 2.0, yay. That's good. Probably don't actually recommend you use the CD, so get lost. Just close the box. Keep the box condition. And take this pen out. Actually, I might as well use the CD. Well, yeah, that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching.